Hello dear students, today we are going to learn history, lesson number 3, the Harappan civilization. Let's see first 3.1 Harappan civilization. Harappa civilization is also known as the ancient Indian civilization. It is also known as Indus civilization. Why it is known as Indus civilization? Because it is on the bank of river Indus. Let's see figure on page number 10, Harappan civilization. Here you will find Harappan civilization. Okay. This black dot is about site of Harappan civilization. This square dot is about modern city. And this red dotted line is present international boundaries. Harappan civilization discovered in 1921. This name got because its remains were found while digging at Harappa on the bank of river Ravi in Punjab. Let's see 3.2 House and town planning. Baked and unbaked bricks, stones were used for construction of houses. Each houses had well, bathroom and toilet. There were excellent drainage system with covered means it was not open. The houses were built in rectangular blocks. As you can see in the picture, this is remain of houses. Remain means what? The left part, destroyed left part. Each town was divided into 2 or more sections with protective wall. As you can see in the picture, this is protective wall which only remains are left. Okay, means only destroyed parts are left. Pictography means symbol used for words writing is also appear on the seal. The pots with various size and design of leaf, flower and animal on this pot, and pots were black in color. Let's see 3.4 The Great Bath. A spacious bath found in Mohenjo-daro. The dimension of the tank were 12-meter long, 7-meter wide and 2.5-meter deep. It was prevent slow escape of water. And there was also provision. Provision means supply. What supply was there? Draining, cleaning and refilling the tank from the time to time. Let's see 3.5 Life in the Harappan civilization. Agriculture was the main occupation. The Harappans cultivated means they grew wheat, barley, ragi, peas, sesame, legumes and cotton. The Harappan people used to weave cloths means they was able to weave means they was able to stitch cloths. The dress of both men and women means what dress they was wearing? They was wearing knee length means till knee length cloth and an upper garment means the Harappan people were used ornament. Ornaments means what? A thing used to look more attractive. For example, earrings, bangles like this. Okay. And the ornaments were made of gold, silver, copper, precious stone, shells, cowries and seeds. Both men and women used ornament in Harappan civilization, and women wore bangles right up to their upper arm. Next 3.6 Trade. Trade means what? Selling things. Harappan had trade relations. Okay, selling relation they was having with outside of the country. Cotton was exported. Exported means selling. Okay, to Central West Asia, Egypt, Southern Europe. They improve silver, zinc, gemstone, rubies, leather and timber. There was export these things. Okay, and how they was export these things? By sea routes. They was using sea routes in the Arabian Sea for trade, and they also use land routes for trade. Means two way they was using for trade. Okay, which? Arabian Sea and land route also. Let's say 3.7 reasons for decline of Harappan civilization. Decline means what? Gradual and continuous loss of numbers. Means how this civilization lost. Okay, how this finished. Okay, frequently floods, decline in sea level, earthquake was the reason. Fourth reason, migration of people to other places. Migration means leaving place. Hope you understood our lesson. Thank you.